So this is the current condition of the Vespa. This needs to be painted and ये मैं बाद में करूँगा. ये थोड़ा सा साइड है. This needs to be painted. एक कोट मैं कर चुका हूँ लेकिन need another coat. So yeah, let's see. By the way, parts आ गए. ये थोड़ा सा गंदा हो रहा है लेकिन that's because मुझसे पानी गिर गया था. And डिगी 1, डिगी 2, ये सामने का mud guard and the top cover. So let's do this. Okay, time for it to dry. ये मैंने नीचे folding रख दिया so that जो भी है वो drip हो जाए इसी के ऊपर. So it's just drying now.
A few moments later.
So guys, थोड़ी देर बाद ये सब सूख चुका है. खाली ऊपर से किया है so that you know ज़्यादा mess ना हो. I need to clean everything. I will do that inshallah. This is the second part which I painted. Mashallah, came out nice. And let's see if focus hota hai. Yep. So it's not bad. Yeah, really not bad at all. So I'm really happy with the quality of work that I did. Thank you very much. अच्छा जी, so ये सिचुएशन है. ये ड्राई हो चुका है. Time to adjust this. Bye. Okay. आगे मैं एडजस्ट करता हूँ. लेफ्ट वाला हमेशा जो है ना पंगा करता है. The hell? I'll get back to this. आज तो सभी मसले कर रहे हैं. बट सी नहीं, ये भी सही बंद नहीं हुआ है एक्चुअली. So it's supposed to look like this. लेकिन इसको मैं फिगर आउट करूँगा क्या करना है. I need to figure this out. ये क्लिप्स क्यों नहीं लग रहे हैं? ना खराब दिखाना है फिर आखिर इसमें ना. नहीं को सही है. Everything's fine. Finally bad, yeah. Yep. Now this side. बड़ी जद्दोजहद के बाद it's in place now. Yes, now it is time. Current condition, guys. What's nice. ये थोड़े से पार्ट थे, रेड हुए हुए थे, लेकिन मैं आई स्प्रे पेंटेड देम. What's nice, coming out good. ये बस पार्ट रह गया एक, and I need to wash it actually, but not bad. अब guys इसकी बारी आ गई है. ये edges होने वाले हैं and इसकी edge हो रहा. So let's see.
No need to worry about your pre-recorded music tapes being accidentally erased. It can't happen.
अच्छा जी guys, so जितना मैं घर पे कर सकता था I've done it and yeah, so this came out nice as well. अब situation ये है कि this is going to go to Manu's Tag for the final assembly because I don't have the tools to actually take this off and because ये जो front fender है, ठीक है, ये वाला जो है, ये जब इस पे लगेगा so the handle needs to come off and all the connections need to be made. So I leave that to the professional because light adjustment है, brake adjustment है, because brake as you can see इस वक्त निकली हुई है, handle off होता है तो वो निकल जाती है. So yeah, so the home episode ends now. I'm going to make a final episode of the big reveal and yeah, so wish me luck.
Yeah, 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 yeah.